All right, I started doing this painting, but then food arrived for our hotel. So I was recording, but I'm going to have to keep this real quick because after this, I'm going to be packing up my laptop. If you hear my kids in the background, so be it. Yeah, so the next few videos you'll probably see from me will be me in transit. So it'll be kind of vacation vlog, travel vlog. So I am unsure if I will be drawing in them. What I might try to do is do some basic video stuff with my daughter or something, filming me drawing on like my iPad, and then like talking to the camera or talking at the camera. Um, that'll probably be the most reasonable thing. But anyway, yeah, I only got like a few more minutes here. Let me try to think what I want to do with this. Let's try to do this. Ooh, I kind of like when I shrunk it down, but I'm going to commit to this vision that I have of the obelisk. I really love the way that this is coming together. Anyway, yeah, so hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope everybody enjoyed the last few videos, even though they're pretty piecemeal. But again, my agenda, a video day, trying to hit that quota. And I plan not to miss it, even if it's these short form videos. I do imagine in the next week, towards the end of the week coming up, I will be absolutely a lot more attentive and probably more stationary. And when that does happen, I will absolutely make a long form video. I have several topics that I've been building up on my little spreadsheet. I have done almost like a little over 75 to 80 videos so far, which has been great. And so I want to kind of keep that up. And so I'll talk about kind of some of the things I have on that list. And then, yeah, maybe stream a couple times. But yeah, we're just going to be moving into our new place. So I need to be able to kind of stay hyper-focused. I do think it'd be smart and fun to do something with my daughter where she films me talking and stuff. And that could be really cool. So if you guys can do me a favor in the comments, maybe start to leave some questions you might want me to ask. And maybe that'd be a fun way for me to be able to do travel vlog without it being super informal. So yeah, if you had questions that you wanted me to answer directly, I will try to collect them later, screenshot them, whatever, have them ready to go, and then my daughter can kind of just film me answering them. And that could be a couple other things. I'm going to be planning to go to Lightbox. I want to try to go and see if I can even get a booth this time with my daughter. That should be a lot of fun. I'm excited for that. More on that as time goes on. But yeah, time's up. I need to pack up my laptop, but these little monolithic vibes are the funnest things to draw. If you aren't sure what kind of environment painting you want to do, I definitely need more time than a few minutes. Like I've been itching to spend more than a few minutes on a single environment painting to see where that can take me. But it is what it is, y'all. All right, let me just make a couple changes here. Cool. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Cheers.